In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Smartsheet sheets, an essential skill that can help streamline your project management process by automatically synchronizing data across sheets. Let's dive in and explore how to effectively link cells in Smartsheet, ensuring your information is both accessible and up to date across all relevant workflows. To start, navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. It's crucial to be in the correct environment to seamlessly interact with the sheets you intend to link. Once you're there, identify the destination sheet where you want to display the linked data. This is where the information from another sheet will be reflected, and you'll select the specific cell where this data should appear. Choosing the right cell is important since it will directly display updates from your source sheet, making data management efficient. With the destination cell selected, look for the toolbar where you'll find the cell linking option. Clicking this will take you to the next step, which involves selecting your source sheet. Keep in mind your source sheet is the one that houses the original data you want to link to your destination sheet. It's worth reviewing the sheets you have access to in order to choose the correct one, as this will ensure that your linked data is accurate and reflects real-time updates. Once you've chosen your source sheet, the next task is to select the exact cell that contains the data you wish to link. Being careful and precise at this stage is critical because this linked data will now be part of your destination sheet. If necessary, take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct data point in your source sheet to maintain data integrity. After you've identified the appropriate cell in your source sheet, the final step is simple: click on Create Link. This action will confirm the link between the selected cells, establishing a dynamic connection that ensures any updates in the source data reflect immediately in the destination sheet. This cell linking feature can be incredibly powerful for projects that require constant data monitoring across multiple sheets, helping you and your team maintain organized and synchronized workflows. Remember, linking cells can greatly enhance your ability to manage complex projects by reducing the need for manual data entry and the potential for errors. It's an efficient way to handle large datasets across your Smartsheet ecosystem. As you become more comfortable with this feature, you'll find it invaluable for coordinating tasks, tracking progress, and keeping your entire team on the same page. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to link sheets in Smartsheet. Thank you for joining today's session. With these skills, you're well on your way to mastering data synchronization in your projects. Don't forget to explore more Smartsheet features that can further enhance your productivity. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips.